primary duty is to support students throughout high school. It looks a little bit differently as like lead counselor because I have about 275 kids on my caseload, but then I also have all 6 other counselors, and I am kind of in charge of us as a team to make sure that we are getting all of the correct things done, all the information out to kids, to parents, to teachers, and then really supporting kids and families. That's the main job. As a counselor, our 3 big buckets of things are, academic success, which looks different for everyone, social emotional well-being, which looks different for everyone, and then post-high school readiness. Just a month ago we had college fair, right? And there was thousands of people here, and 200 colleges. We have to get that information out, get the colleges to sign up, make sure that we're communicating with everybody so that they know what their role is, and how to use that time, wisely. So my goals for my students are to enjoy high school. Every single student that I meet is their own person, and they are just so kind and not afraid to ask questions. And I love that, because once you're afraid to ask questions, you stop learning. And we never want to stop learning. So keep asking and keep finding out the answers. I want, all 2,800 of us students to be, healthy and happy, and have some goals ready to achieve.